Hey guys, welcome to MotorBeam. Today I have the Kia Carens Clavis with me. This is a majorly updated version of the Carens. The regular Carens will continue to be on sale in one or two variants, regular petrol, NA petrol and diesel manual. But this Clavis will be available in a multitude of different variants. 3 engine options on offer: 1.5 NA petrol, 1.5 turbo petrol and 1.5 diesel. The one that I have with me, I have the diesel manual version, which unfortunately is not available in the topmost version, which is the HTX Plus version. So I have one variant lower from top, which is HTX. What is the variant lineup? It is HTE, HTEO, HTK, HTK Plus, HTK Plus O, HTX and HTX Plus. So I have one variant lower from the top. Some features are missing, जो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. What are the changes on the Clavis compared to the regular Carens? That also I'll show you. Chalo, let's get started. Let's talk about the engine specs first. With the diesel car, you get a 1.5 liter CIDI engine, 4-cylinder, great insulation over here. This is something which is actually missing on the petrol car. This one makes 115 PS of power and 250 Newton meters of torque. I like the attention to detail because when you want to open the bonnet, they have given a small bend over here so that you can easily find the bonnet opening lever over here. So let's shut the bonnet because मैं गाड़ी के changes आपको दिखा देता हूँ. It's a loud engine. क्लैटर इसका काफी लाउड है विद द बॉनेट ओपन. बॉनेट बंद कर दी, एकदम साइलेंट हो गया. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द न्यू फेस ऑफ द क्लैविस. तो यहाँ पे आपको एलईडी इंडिकेटर लाइट मिल जाती है. यू गेट दीज 3 क्यूब एलईडी हेडलैम्प्स ओवर हियर फॉर द लो बीम एंड द हाई बीम. दिस इज द डीआरएल राइट हियर. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली कारेंस क्लैविस में आपको फॉग लैम्प नहीं मिलता. यू गेट दिस पार्किंग सेंसर राइट हियर. आपको एक कैमरा यहाँ पे मिल जाता है, 360 डिग्री कैमरा, इवन ऑन द वेरिएंट विच इज वन लो फ्रॉम द टॉप. यहाँ पे बम्पर पे सिल्वर इंसर्ट मिल जाता है. यू गेट दिस 2D Kia logo, flat face logo, and the new face of the Clavis looks nice. There is of course some inspiration from the Ceros and the bigger, much expensive EV9. गाड़ी के साइड पे आ जाते हैं. You get 17-inch dual tone alloy wheels, 215/55 R17 tire size. यहाँ पे नीचे भी आपको सिल्वर कलर की क्लैडिंग मिल जाती है. You get request sensor over here, but it is not present on the other side. यहाँ पे इंडिकेटर मिलता है, कैमरा मिल जाता है. I'll show you the clarity in a bit. This one has a single pane sunroof, but the topmost HTX Plus version, which I'll show you tomorrow, has a dual pane panoramic sunroof. This window is quite big. You can have a look at the roof rails right here. No major changes on the side. This element looks nice. This whole chrome doesn't look very bad or gaudy. It actually looks nice, premium, well finished, aluminium finish right here. And let's have a look at the new tail lamp of the Kia Carens Clavis. इसमें आपको 3 slat design मिल जाती है for the indicator. This nice long tail lamp unit looks good. This imperial blue color has been carried over from the older model, but there's a new ivory silver color also, which again I'll show you. And यहाँ पे boot space देख लेते हैं. You get 216 liters of boot space with the third row up in place. With the third row folded, you get a lot more space on offer. So this is how it folds flat right here. Massive amount of storage area with the third row up in place, with the third row folded actually. And because the topmost variant gets 6-seater and 7-seater versions, all the lower variants get only a 7-seater configuration. So this is also the 7-seater version that I have with me right here. Lot of cup holders on the third row. And you get charging ports also on both the sides. Type C का port आपको मिल जाता है. And over here you get some small storage area for the toolkit and small bags if you want to keep, if you want to hide something, वो आप इसमें आसानी से कर लेते हैं. So let's shut this thing. The spare wheel is located below the bumper right here. And I'll just shut the boot of this car. And I'll do one thing. I'll show you the interior of the Clavis. So let's have a look at the interior of the Kia Carens Clavis. I am sitting in the car now. It is a bright and sunny day here in Bangalore. Indicator iska off kar dete hai so that the noise doesn't come here. And this is a nicely done up cabin. So I'll just change the angle of the car a little. You can have a look at the clarity over here of the 360 camera. Actually very nice clarity, and the tire of the car also moves when you move the car. So that's a good thing because attention to detail is very important. So yes, this is the dashboard of the Kia Carens Clavis. Lot of changes over here. The whole design of the dashboard is actually different. The regular Carens had a very piano black finish right here, massive panel. It was prone to scratches. This one feels more premium also, and the quality also seems to be a little more better. There's a front central speaker right here, and because this is the HTX version, not the HTX Plus, it doesn't have Bose speakers, it has generic speakers right here. You get a fabric texture over here, and the glow box is decently sized. The AC vents also have a very neat and clean design, and the quality of the buttons, the knobs, the vents is very good, very consistent. This panel also has been done up very nicely over here. You can switch between AC and audio controls at the touch of a button, which is a nice thing. The AC is a chiller on this car, no dual zone climate control of course, and unfortunately this version misses out on front ventilated seats. The button is blank over here. यहाँ पे आपको पार्किंग सेंसर का बटन मिलता है, रिवर्स कैमरा 360 कैमरा का बटन मिलता है. This is the downhill brake control button. Bunch of charging ports right here, regular USB, type C USB, 12 volt charging, wireless charging. This is the manual gearbox. You get this cooled storage area right here, cooled cup holders. This thing cannot be slid back and forth, but you can open it and again have some storage area right here. The upholstery looks very nice. The texture is premium, it is supportive. It actually feels as a nice upgrade over here. यहाँ पे आपको छोटा सा sunroof मिल जाता है. The regular Carens also came with a regular sunroof. The topmost version, the HTX Plus, comes with a proper dual pane sunroof that I'll show you tomorrow. उसमें यहाँ पे साइड में आपको AC vents मिल जाते हैं. This one has AC vents over here. You get this light over here, and यहाँ पे भी आपको light मिल जाती है along with a sunglass holder with some felt lining over here. Now this thing does not come with a light or a mirror. This one seems to have a mirror, but there is no light or a cover for that. And this particular version of the Carens Clavis also gets a dash cam, which is factory fitted. Again, a good feature to have. This has a dual camera setup, one for the outside, one for the inside, and this is available on the petrol manual also, even on the IMT. But unfortunately, the diesel auto and the petrol DCT do not come with a dash cam. I don't know why. I think they should have offered it on all the variants. Coming to the screen right here, you get this massive screen, 26.62 inches, which is split between the infotainment system and the instrument cluster. You can change the colors of the cluster, the theme over here, and it also showcases a variety of information. So I'll just show it to you. You can see the direction over here. You can see tire pressure over here, which is a little high, 38, 39. You get the urea level, and you can come back to the driving the fuel indicator, which basically shows you the fuel consumption data, the driving data, and current trip data. So that's it. This is the digital speedo right here, and with the diesel you can see that this one has a range of 621 kilometers on a single tank. The car has been idling since a long time because we have been shooting, so which is why the range is still low. And because this is the HTX version, it does not have it does not have rain sensing wipers, but it does have auto headlamps. Rain sensing wipers are available only on the topmost version. These buttons are used for a variety of functions like your phone controls, media controls, and this particular variant also does not have ADAS. One more thing that is missing on this version is that it has manual adjustment for the driver seat, while on the topmost HTX Plus version, you get a 4-way electrically adjustable driver seat and an electronic parking brake. On this one, you have this old school regular parking brake, but it feels nice to use. Mirror is big in size, the windshield is big in size, great visibility, and even the IRVM offers great visibility. So that is not an issue over here with the Kia Carens. Now, because this does not have a Bose audio system, I thought the sound quality would not be that great, but I listened to some music in the morning. Sound quality, I would say, is decent enough. Of course, the Bose one has way better sound quality, but this one is also decent enough. It's not too bad. So I'll try and make you listen to something.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Sound quality is okay. Again, as I mentioned before, not too bad. You get some buttons over here. Of course, this is the traction control off button, the headlamp leveler, the engine start stop button. You get the power window controls right here, and the ORVM controls. And the door texture seems quite nice. It is finished in multiple textures, multiple design elements are present over here. You get a dark blue, grayish color over here. This again dark gray color right here. Aluminum finish on the pull handle, and some leatherette upholstery right here on the door door pads. So this feels nice. Lot of storage areas in this cabin. And I'll do one thing. I'll move to the rear seat now. Let me show you the 7-seater configuration before I show you the 6-seater one. So let's go from this side. You open the door and you are greeted by this spacious rear seat. Now if you want to go to the third row, all you have to do is press this button and the rear seat tumbles down like this, and you can easily go here to the third row. Space is decent for the third row passengers. Again, tall people may not be very comfortable over here. Space is limited for tall people, and the seat base is not too big in size. You can have a look at the leg room right here, which is a little limited, but kids, short adults won't have an issue right here. Third row passengers also get AC vents along with a charging port. Let's put this seat back in place. You get ISOFIX child seat mounts, 6 airbags on all the variants. Safety features are present throughout the range, so no compromises over there. And I am sitting in the rear seat now. Now over here you do not get a button for the boss mode. That is offered only on the topmost HTX Plus version, which I'll show you later. But you get some nice storage areas. This one feels good. You get this air purifier right here, AC vents I showed you before, and this very nice sunshade which really saves you from the heat coming from outside. This table also opens up, and you can keep your food or your laptop or your tablet over here. You sit comfortably in the second row of the Clavis. This armrest feels a little basic, no cup holders on this, and it is also not too thick. It is a very slim armrest, so it does the job, but I think something more luxurious would have been nice over here. You get a nice 3-point seat belt for the middle passenger also, and the floor is mostly flat, so the middle passenger won't have an issue as such. You get blower controls, 2 USB ports, and this storage area on the bottom portion. The upholstery is finished in beige and dark blue color, which looks good, I think, and overall the ambience for the second row passengers is good. Personally, if I was buying a Carens Clavis, I would buy the 6-seater version, but वो सिर्फ top model में मिलता है. तो अगर आपका budget है उतना, get the 6-seater one. It is more comfortable. This one is also comfortable, spacious, but personally, I like the feel of a captain seat at the back. Now, Kia does not offer rear ventilation for the captain seat version of the Clavis, but I think they should have actually done that. That would have been a very nice feature to have. So I think that's about it. I've shown you the interior of the Clavis. Lot of features on offer. Some features are missing compared to the topmost version, and this is how the dashboard looks like from the back. I think the design of the new dashboard is way better than the one on the regular Carens, but Kia won't be discontinuing the older Carens, so that will also continue to be on sale. Probably the variant lineup will become smaller. It will get one variant for diesel, one variant for petrol. That is my speculation. Let's see what happens in reality. And they may probably discontinue the turbo petrol from the regular Carens, offer it only on the Clavis. वो वाली में आपको सिर्फ NA petrol और diesel मिल जाएगा, mostly with manual or IMT. So yes, I think that's about it. Now, right now, I do not know the pricing of the Carens Clavis, but I suppose it will be priced 1 or 2 lakh rupees more than the regular Carens, because the changes are significant, they are better, and overall the package has actually become very nice. So now I'll do one thing. I'll take the diesel manual Clavis for a spin. देखते गाड़ी चलाने में कैसी है. I have driven it of course to the shoot location, so I know how it feels. But मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ इसकी performance. We'll talk more about the mileage also, and then tomorrow I'll show you guys the petrol version also of this car. So now I'm driving the diesel manual version of the Kia Carens Clavis. Familiar engine because we have driven it on many other Hyundai Kia cars. I actually like this engine. It's not very loud. Of course, when you open the bonnet, उसकी clatter आपको बहुत सुनाई देगी. But when the bonnet is shut, not much of the engine clatter filters inside the cabin, and it feels nicely insulated. Very refined engine for sure. बहुत ही smooth है ये engine, and in terms of power, it makes 115 PS of power and 250 Newton meters of torque, which I think is sufficient for a car of this segment. इसमें आपको अच्छी खासी ड्राइविलिटी मिल जाती है. द टर्बो लैग इज नॉट वेरी troublesome or very bothersome as such, and it just drives in such a smooth manner. When the turbo spools, you don't get a very aggressive push, but you get a nice and powerful push. आपको वो sportiness इसमें नहीं मिलेगी, but you feel that yeah, this car has a lot of torque on offer, तो वो मजा आ जाता है. So if you want to overtake other big vehicles on the highway, you just need to downshift a little, go a little hard on the throttle, and it should be very easy to overtake bigger vehicles out on the highway. Now you get the best drivability in the second and third gear in the city. First gear is not too long that way, and इसमें gear shifts आपको बहुत easy मिल जाते हैं, बहुत smooth मिल जाती है. You know, the clutch is light, the travel is also not very long, and the gearbox itself is very slick to use. So I'll just take this car out on the open roads. You see, the turbo spooled, the car got a nice surge of acceleration. It feels good to drive, you know, and the best part is that, okay, I missed this speed breaker, but yeah, the ride quality is decent on the Carens Clavis. It feels, you know, nice that yeah, it can soak up all the bumps that Indian roads have to offer, but it is not very luxurious as such, and I think it does the job decently well for this segment. So as I was talking about the engine, it offers a good blend of mileage and performance. You know, mileage आपको डे टू डे ड्राइविंग में सिटी में 12 to 15 की मिल जाएगी इसमें आराम से, एंड आउट ऑन द हाईवे 20 kilometers per liter is also achievable if you drive in a sensible manner. The gearbox has all the gear ratios nicely spread out over there, and of course this one does not have driving modes that you get on the topmost version, which is the petrol DCT. Of course उसमें आपको driving modes भी मिल जाते हैं. This one has a single drive mode. That's about it, but yeah, it is tuned well, the engine, and overall there are no major complaints while driving the Carens Clavis diesel manual. Ride quality, as I mentioned before, is good enough, not too luxurious. Handling is also very neutral. So again, you know, this car is made for people who travel with their families, or people who sit at the back, or even people who drive solo. It is made for people who want to travel comfortably from place A to place B. It is not meant for people who want to drive in a sporty manner, in an aggressive manner, in an enthusiastic manner. उसके लिए ये गाड़ी नहीं बनी है. For that reason, for that purpose, you have the Kia Seltos or any other car. But if you want a car that does its job really well, if you want a car which is no nonsense, if you want a car that really helps you commute comfortably, the Carens Clavis is the one to go for. Okay, this nice blind spot monitor over here, coming back to our lane, and the version which I have with me does not have ADAS features. They are again offered only on the topmost HTX Plus version. Even on the regular Carens, you did not get ADAS functions. The grip from the Seat Secura Drive tires is okay, I would say. Again, if you drive normally, आपको शायद इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उससे, but again, if you push the car a little, if you go on bad roads, then you will feel the need for slightly grippier tires. The size of the tires is perfect, 215, 55, 17, but जो grip है वो थोड़ी और better आपको मिल सकती थी. तो yeah, that is one feedback over here from my side. Now with all 4 disc brakes, braking is not an issue as such. The car stops in a straight line, of course, because of the shape of the car. And if you are going at really high speed, you just stand on the brake pedal. थोड़ी तो आपको nose dive definitely feel होगी. Screeching noise is also heard, but the car stops predictably well. So I guess that's about it. Diesel manual is good to drive. I would say कि अगर आपको बजट में एक लेनी है डीजल गाड़ी which can take 7 people in comfort, this is the one to go for. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि इसकी प्राइस थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, get on the lower variants. They are reasonably equipped, and if you think you want more convenience also, तो फिर डीजल में ऑटोमेटिक ले लो. That's again a very nice variant to have. Diesel automatic combo is really good. Automatic transmission, it's a torque converter unit, 6 speed, and mileage उसमें थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी, but आपकी जो ease of use है, आपकी जो convenience है, वो थोड़ी better हो जाएगी. But if you don't mind this manual, then I would say get this one. It will be even more efficient. So yeah, that's about it. I've driven the Kia Carens Clavis diesel. Now in tomorrow's video, you'll get to see the petrol version of this car. I'll try and drive both the DCT and the manual, and the new manual, of course. तो देखते हैं वो कैसी है. Petrol also has the option of an IMT, which is not offered with the diesel now. Diesel में पहले आता था IMT in the regular Carens, but अभी सिर्फ manual आता है. But with the petrol, they are still offering IMT. So let's see. I'll try and drive as many powertrain options as I can. तो वो आपको next video में देखने मिलेगा. But yeah, this was the Kia Carens Clavis diesel manual first drive. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस ऑफ द किया Carens Clavis आर क्वाइट गुड। अगर आप एक फैमिली के लिए ऑल राउंडर ढूंढ रहे हैं जो स्पेशियस हो, प्रैक्टिकल हो, पावरफुल हो, माइलेज भी आपको अच्छा खासा दे दे, रिलायबल भी हो, then this is one of the cars that you can consider. Now the topmost versions of this car will be significantly expensive compared to the regular Carens because the changes are big. But अगर आपको बजट पे कुछ चाहिए, you can actually consider the lower or the mid versions of this car. They are also pretty much loaded with all the essential features. तीन इंजन ऑप्शन आते हैं, 1.5 NA petrol which is good enough, 1.5 turbo petrol which is really good, 1.5 diesel which offers a great blend of mileage and fuel economy. Diesel में manual, automatic दोनों आपको मिल जाता है. I have driven the manual and I quite liked it that way. Clutch is very light, gear shifts are good and overall जो पैकेज है Kia Carens Clavis, that's really nice. इसमें मतलब आपको सब तरह की फीचर्स मिलते हैं, बहुत बढ़िया स्पेस मिल जाती है, Kia की सर्विस भी अच्छी खासी है एंड राइट नाउ आई डोंट नो द प्राइस ऑफ दिस कार बट ऑफ कोर्स लेट्स सी हाउ द प्राइस टर्न्स आउट टू बी. ओवरऑल आई थिंक if you want a nice people mover for your family, you don't want to spend so much on the Innova or probably something like the Tata Safari, you can get yourself this. It's a great choice in its segment. So yeah, that's about it. What are your thoughts on the Carens Clavis? Let me know in the comment section below. And कोई भी डाउट हो ये गाड़ी के बारे में, कोई भी और गाड़ी के बारे में, feel free to ask in the comments below. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.